Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the MOES Wi-Fi Smart Switch. We have reviewed another MOES switch before. This one is a touch control and app-controlled smart switch. It supports both Tuya and Matter, which means you can connect it with Alexa, Home Assistant, and other smart home devices. MOES also has its own dedicated app, allowing you to control everything directly from your smartphone. If we look at the back of the box, we can see the model and specifications. The model number is WS125G. The previous unit we reviewed was a different model. We'll unbox this one and check out its features. Some of the highlighted features include one-key control, family shared remote control, and voice control. So, let's start by unboxing it. After opening the box, we get a simple instruction manual for the smart switch. Inside, you'll find everything you need, including the Matter QR code and detailed setup instructions. Everything is clearly explained. And here is the main switch itself. This is a 4-gang switch with 4 individual buttons. If we take a look at the back, we can see the circuitry and wiring terminals. Now we'll install it and test its various features. One thing I noticed is that our previous model was completely touch-based and silent. However, this model produces a click sound when pressed. If you listen carefully, you can hear it. Each switch makes a distinct clicking sound, which the previous model did not have. Let's install it first and then explore the rest of its features. After installation, the next step is connecting it to Wi-Fi. To do that, press and hold any switch button for about 10 seconds. As you can see, the indicator starts blinking, which means the device has entered pairing mode. Next, we'll open the MOES app. Inside the app, tap the plus icon and select Add Device. As you can see, the app has already detected the smart switch. We'll select it, enter our Wi-Fi password, and the connection process will begin. I've entered the password, and now the device is being added. You can see the progress bar moving. This may take a little time. Once the process is complete, we'll test how it works. After waiting for a few moments, you can see that the switch has successfully connected. From here, you can rename the device if you want. It's currently named Smart Switch. For example, I'll rename it to Studio Switch. Then I'll tap Done. Now the main switch interface appears. You can see all 4 switches displayed here. When I tap one, the corresponding light turns on. Tapping again turns it off. Each switch works independently. There are also options to turn all switches on or off at once. For example, there's an all-off button available. You can also set timers and schedules. From the main app interface, you can already control all switches simultaneously. You can turn everything on or off with a single tap. You can also see the indicator lights responding accordingly. When I turn everything off, all indicators go off. Turning everything on lights them up again. Now let's connect it to Amazon Alexa. Inside Alexa, we'll select the room we created called Office. Next, choose Explore Smart Home. When prompted, tap Add. Alexa asks whether the device supports Matter. Since the Matter logo is present on the manual, we'll select Yes. The next step is scanning the Matter QR code. As soon as we scan it, Alexa detects the device immediately. We'll tap Connect. To complete the setup, the switch must be placed into pairing mode. Once that's done, Alexa starts connecting to the device. The process may take about a minute. Now you can see that the device has been successfully connected. We'll tap Next. Alexa has detected all 4 channels and labeled them individually. Since this is a 4-gang switch, we can rename each channel if needed. For example, I'll rename one of them to Lights, then tap Update Name and Continue. You can assign each switch to a room. I'll place them in the office room. As you can see, everything is now fully configured. Alexa also suggests some useful routines. For example, saying, "Alexa, good night," can turn all lights off, while saying, "Alexa, let there be light," can turn them all on. After completing the setup, all lights are ready to use. Now we can control everything directly from Alexa as well. As you can see, all the lights are currently on. Let's test voice control.
Alexa, turn off all light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on all light.
Okay.
Okay, and there you go. The lights turn back. Once you connect Alexa, all of your switches will appear in the Alexa app. You can then control each switch individually from there. For example, here I'm turning my second light and third light on and off using the Alexa app. And there you go, the lights turn back on instantly. So you can control this switch through physical touch, the mobile app, or voice commands. That makes it a very versatile smart home device. Overall, the build quality is excellent, and the smart control features work very well. That's everything you need to know about this product. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again in another video soon. If you're interested in this device, we'll leave a purchase link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. We have used a previous MOES product and now this new model as well, and both have performed very well. We'll include the link to this latest model in the description for anyone interested. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe, take care, and see you in the next video.